style winner. All right, up next, jumping out of Weyburn, Saskatchewan. This is Sparky Volvo, truck they call Oil Slick. This has a 3-liter Chrysler motor in it. And he likes to send it. Oh, yeah! Oh! Blue 2 tires! Blue 2 tires on that air! Unreal! Sending it huge! He's gonna go to the back because it's way too dangerous to drive like that. One-hit wonder right there from Weyburn, Saskatchewan. Sparky Volvo! The carnage in Yorkton never stops, ever. This is supposed to be a monster truck show. It's just wrecking everything. I'll tell you what a track we built. Thanks to all of those sponsors to make it happen.